Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about Google My Business. Google My Business is a free and easy to use tool for businesses and organizations to manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. When people find your business on Google Maps and search, they can find information like your hours, website and street address. Google My Business helps you maintain local results. These results are tailored to particular geographic areas and help users find nearby businesses. Now, I will tell you how to set up Google My Business listing step by step. Let's get started. Go to google.com/business. Click Manage Now. You will be asked to sign in with a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in. If you don't have a Google account, I will show you how to do it. Just click on Create Account. Choose To Manage My Business option and start filling your details including your first name and last name. Choose a username and a password. Click on Next. Add a phone number, recovery email address, date of birth and gender. Click on Next. You will be asked to verify your phone number via a code you will receive by text message. Enter the code. Click on Verify. You can skip the next step. Read Privacy Policy and click Agree Privacy Policy. You will be redirected to a screen confirming your account is all set up. And you can now create your free business profile. Click on Continue, which will take you to the setting up page of Google My Business listing. Next, if you already have an account, enter with your Google account. This will take you to the setting up page of Google My Business listing. Enter your business name to check if a Google listing already exists for it. If it does, it should be suggested as part of autocomplete function and you should select it. This will prevent creating and duplicating an existing listing. In the next step, you need to confirm your business name. According to Google's policy, your name should reflect your business's real world name. You should obey Google's guidelines when you create a business listing. Click on Next. You need to choose a category that best matches your business. This is a very important field as it will have a significant impact on the keywords your listing ranks for in Google search and Google Map results. Click on Next. You will then be asked to add a physical location customers can visit like a store or an office. If you have a physical store customers can visit, you need to select Yes and fill in your business address details. It will then get displayed on your listing and in the form of a red pin on Google Map showing where your business is. If you are more of a service area type of business that delivers goods and services to your customers, such as a plumber or an electrician or work from home and don't want people to know your exact address, you will want to choose the No option here. I select No. Click on Next. At this stage, you will be given the option to verify the areas you are able to serve your customers. It will be displayed on your listing panel in the form of an area coverage. Next step is all about adding information that will display on your panel so customers can get in touch with you. Add a phone number. Add a website address if you have a website. If you don't need a website, just select Don't Need a Website option. If you don't have a website and want to create one, select Get a free website based on your info option. Google will automatically create a web page for you. Select your option and click Next. If you want to receive updates and recommendations for your business on Google, click Yes. If you don't need, click No. I choose Yes. Click on Next. Click Finish, which will take you to the verification process. You need to enter the physical mailing address of your business, as Google will send you a postcard which include a code to verify your listing. Once you are done, click on Next. Here you can choose how to verify a business. Enter a name you want to appear on the postcard, which should take up few days to be delivered. Click on Mail. You will be directed to a screen confirming the card is on its way. Your basic listing is now created. Click on Continue. Add your business days, opening and closing hours. Click on Save. You can select the desired option here. Provide a short description of your business. This will appear on bottom of your listing. Once you are done, click on Save. Next step is to add photos that illustrate the service you provide, or better even the work you have done with existing customers. Use genuine images. Once you are done, click on Next. You are then offered to use some advertising Google Ads. Let's skip this page for now. Click on Continue. This will take you to Google My Business dashboard. This is the area Google uses to convey various messages regarding your Google listing, such as creating posts, claiming your advertising credits, etc. Now, I am going to run through a couple of options you must add before your listing is verified. From the left-hand side menu, click on Info. This is where all the information you filled in during the creation process of your listing are stored. You can see your business name, category you have chosen, the areas you serve, opening and closing time, etc. And you can modify them all. Just click the pencil icon and edit. You should see the primary category you picked during the initial listing setup here. You can add secondary category that are related to your business, as they will increase your chances of being found in Google for relevant search terms. I add online class as my secondary category here. You can add relevant attributes to your listing. The options depend on the type of business you run. This is particularly useful if you want to inform your customers about the COVID healthy and safe measures you have in place, for instance. Click on Add Photos link. You should see the photos you uploaded earlier on your listing. You can add a logo and cover photo. Click Choose Photo and select the photo you need. You can add a cover photo here. You can create a post. Just click here, select the option you need. If you have an offer, click Offer. Enter offer details like title, photos, offer start date, end date, etc. Then click Publish. If you have anything new, you can add it here. Just click What is new, enter the details, and then click Publish. You can see the website Google created for you if you selected Create a website based on your info option during the initial stage of your listing. Edit option is available here. If you want to change the theme, click here and select the theme you need and click Save. If you want to add any text or change any text, you can do it here. You can add photos. You can see your customer reviews, messages, etc. here once your listing is verified. You can see the businesses you have added. When you receive the postcard, including your code to verify, you can verify your listing. Go to Pending Verification box and enter verification code and click on Verify. After your listing is verified, your listing will be live on Google. So that's about Google My Business. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.